Hi all, welcome to Jackie's Core. I'm Jackie, and today I'm going to be doing Today I'm going to be making banana nut bread with my mother. Hello. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. If you want to comment something and say what you add to your banana nut bread, do that. And if you like me, subscribe. Alright, let's get started. In this bowl, we're going to do the dry ingredients, which includes the flour, sugar, and salt. And she's going to mash up the bananas.
Baking powder too.
Now I'm going to whisk my dry ingredients together.
Melted butter, so can I put in the eggs now?
Is it time?
Yeah.
What does it say?
It says mix together the melted butter and mashed potatoes.
Mashed potatoes?
Mashed bananas. And beat it.
So she's putting in the wet ingredients in with the mashed bananas. Now we are going to transfer the mixture into our pans. We're going to do one with walnuts, chopped walnuts, and one without. So now we're going to put it in the oven at 350 degrees for 55 minutes.
Voila. So can I have the bowl?
We gotta actually do what?
You gotta do that? I thought you did.
What did you say?
I said you gotta show yourself bringing it out.
Yeah.
Is it still on?
Yeah, it's still hot.
No. Is the
Yeah, it's still on.
cameras on?
Oh yeah.
Everyone's gonna see me eating.
So now that the banana bread is done, I'm gonna take it out and let it sit and cool for about 15 to 20 minutes.
It really did rise, didn't it? Yummy looking.
Alright guys, so now the banana bread is out of the oven and this is our finished product. You want to show the other one? This one has the walnuts in it and that one is the plain. We had to put the one with walnuts in there for a little longer because it was in a metal pan. Metal pan? Metal pan. Alright,